isn't just a channel, it's a journey.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy.
The sun is out, the sky is blue. Isn't it a wonderful day here on Sheppey? Are we lucky? Just remember to keep your sunscreen topped up because that sun is due to get up to about 25 degrees. It is really lovely and warm, but don't get caught out. So do make sure you are topping up your sunscreen. We do have some dotted around, so just come up and ask if you need some sunscreen. Also, to drink your water as well, make sure you're fully topped up and hydrated. The sunshine can catch you out. So we've got water in all sorts of different places, but our friends from the Salvation Army here today serving free teas and coffees and squash. Do make sure you head over and grab some squash as well. Just stay nice and hydrated. In about 20 minutes or so, we have our next fire safety show inside.
Oh, it feels like